This is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app, which comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not need to additionally download any third-party or external apps. So here is Google Drive on my phone. Before I start, let me quickly erase the previous documents that I have. So at the app, you will need to click at the plus icon to your bottom right. Then among the list of available options, choose the one that says Scan. After that, grant Google Drive app with the camera access. Then take whatever document you wanted to make a scan of. Here is mine. And, well, just photograph it. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the photo. So at the following interface, we can edit the final document that we will end up with. So as you can see right now, I'm framing the part of the photo that I would like to result in the saved document. So I will crop an edges and maybe perhaps align it a little more. Then you can also change the color scheme that will be used for your final product, or rotate the scan if needed. Then hit the save button. Go and hit the save button once again. Wait for the file to be uploaded to your drive. And well, here you have it already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.